Welcome to the Azure DevOps course for project managers and business analysts. In this course, we are going to look at Azure DevOps from a business analyst and project manager perspective. This course will be taught by using Azure DevOps, so in this course you will need to sign up to Azure DevOps. In the first lesson, we will go through the steps of creating a new Azure DevOps account. In the course, we will look at 10 subject areas. First of all, we will look at creating an Azure DevOps account. We will go through the steps required to set up an Azure DevOps account. We will then look at the project settings within Azure DevOps, how to create a team and how to add new members to a project team. Item 3 will look at creating sprint iterations for our project. So we will utilize these for creating work items for our sprints. Item 4 will look at the different work items in Azure DevOps, such as features, epics, user stories, tasks, bugs, and issues. So as part of this course, we will create each individual work item. We will then look at sprint planning in Azure DevOps and how you can utilize Azure DevOps for sprint planning and agile delivery. Item 7 will look at creating shared queries and dashboards in Azure DevOps, which are quite useful from a reporting perspective. Azure DevOps Wiki allows you to create wiki pages which you can share amongst your project team. This is quite useful for sharing information across your project team. Item 9 looks at delivery plans in Azure DevOps, which enable you to get an overview of projects within your organization. And finally, we will look at additional tips and tricks within Azure DevOps, so connecting Excel to Azure DevOps, looking at custom notifications, and following work items within Azure DevOps. Before we jump into Azure DevOps, we will first look at a definition of Azure DevOps and the different features it offers to users. So Azure DevOps provides developer services for support teams to plan work, collaborate on code, and build and deploy applications. Azure DevOps supports a culture which brings developers, project managers, business analysts, testers, and other contributors together to complete the software development. Azure DevOps offers a number of features to users, but in this course we are mainly going to focus on Azure boards from a project manager and business analyst perspective. So with Azure DevOps, you can use one or more of the following standalone services based on your business needs. The first service is Azure Boards. This allows you to plan, track, and discuss work items across your team. Azure Repo offers you a Git repository where you can share and store your code. Azure Pipelines enable you to create CI/CD pipelines for your project. Azure Test Plans is the testing toolkit within Azure DevOps. And finally, Azure Artifacts easily allows you to add artifacts to CI/CD pipelines. So in this course, as previously mentioned, we will focus on Azure Boards and utilizing Azure Boards from a project manager and business analyst perspective. That concludes the course introduction. Now we are ready to start our course.